channel. I'm Astrid. So today, I have here this Lego Friends ice cream chart. The number is 41389. So guys, this box has some ice cream, popsicles, a cookie, and also the character is Stephanie. And it's only 6 plus and above. You cannot play with it when it's below. And guys, you can visit their website. It's lego.com/friends. If you want to check out their products to sell. So guys, if you are new in my channel, please click that subscribe button below your screen for more video updates. Now let's start separating all of the pieces. So guys, I'm done separating all of the pieces color by color. So guys, this is the instructions. This is the stickers. And let's put it over here. I'm gonna start building this ice cream cart. Are you ready to build?
Yes!
Let's build! Okay, guys. This is Dash, Stephanie's dog, and this is Stephanie. She's holding a spoon, and she has sunglasses on her head. These are popsicles. These are the ice cream. This is a cookie. This is her scooter. This is her helmet. This is her cones, ice cream cones. This is her cart. This is her roof for the cart so she doesn't get wet. Also, Dash has a little sunglasses. This is her flag, so everybody can know this is her ice cream cart. Okay, this is a coin. It's a coin. It says 5 on it. That means it's 5 pesos. This is a chair, another chair, a table, a wheel, and it's patterned. That's it, all guys. It's done. Okay, guys, I'm done building this 41389 Lego Friends ice cream cart. If you want more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel Astrid Mulles, and please visit my Facebook page Astrid Mulles. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. See you again on my next video. Goodbye.